Dearest gentle viewer, Netflix just dropped the teaser for Bridgerton season 4 and it looks absolutely stunning. I honestly can't wait to binge it. But 2026 feels so far away. If you're like me and you can't handle the wait, here are 4 series to binge in the meantime to fill that Bridgerton-sized hole in your heart. So are you ready to dive in? Let's go. Imagine this, the grand halls of Buckingham Palace, lavish ballrooms, and whispers of power echoing through the corridors. And in the center of it all is a young woman who is bold and ambitious enough to change the entire fabric of monarchy. That's Queen Charlotte for you. Now let me tell you why you should binge it. It's not like any other period drama. It's a powerful story of resilience and pure transformation. So if you love the elegance and drama of Bridgerton, this series is for you. You can binge it now on Netflix. Let's talk about love at first sight. The kind that is so intense that it shakes up an entire empire. That's exactly what happens when Sisi and Emperor Franz Joseph lock eyes for the first time. It's not your regular royal love story. It's more than that. Sure, there's that whole queen who actually cares about normal people drama, but what really makes it pop is the insane palace drama, the stunning visuals, and Sisi's fearless spirit that is ready to break all the rules. Now let me tell you why you should watch it. So if you love watching someone turn the royal traditions upside down while rocking the most stunning gowns, then this one's for you. You can binge it on Netflix. Alright, hear me out. So if you're missing the royal scandals, ballroom drama, then Crown is the perfect rebound. From love affairs to political clashes to the weight of wearing the crown. This show dives deep into the lives of British royal family over the decades. Now let me tell you why you should binge it. So if you love the royal drama and the grand sets of Bridgerton, then this show is right up your alley. You can binge it on Netflix. Set in the glamorous world of 1870s New York and London, The Buccaneers follows a group of daring American women who crash British high society, determined to find love. So the main story centers on Nan caught between marrying a wealthy duke for status or following her heart with a guy who is also fighting to rise in the society. And here's why you should binge it. Think Bridgerton level drama, but even more rebellion. These women aren't just following rules, they are rewriting them. With stunning fashion, juicy scandals, and power moves that could rival Lady Whistledown's best gossip. This show is a must-watch. You can stream it now on Apple TV+. So this was it for the recommendations. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Sukhman for Binge It signing off.